two men.
Bro, I'm telling you right now, bro, I got real bad credit.
One with real bad credit.
I went to T-Mobile to get a phone. They told me no, go to Cricket. Cricket said I need a deposit. I couldn't even finance a cell phone, man.
You couldn't even finance a cell phone, man.
I can't even finance a stapler.
Or a stapler.
I don't even got lights. I couldn't even finance electricity. Electricity?
But that one man said 4 words.
I can help you. At Rockaway Nissan, we have what's called a Fresh Start program. It's about giving you a fresh start on life. And it starts with a minor commitment, and that's committing to yourself first. Okay, I can do that. All right, maybe a certified pre-owned, something like that. We gotta show the bank that you can make continuous payments on time. At least a year's worth of payments. Down the road, we can get that GTR. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready.
He's ready.